questions. Okay, under
No, we're not picking up any sound. You can start.
Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to those who are new. I see we've got plenty new names today. Welcome to our grade 1 literacy class. I hope you're all ready and excited to learn with everyone. Good. Alrighty. So for those of you who were in our numeracy lesson, you all heard that Sean told us the date. He even told us what day it is today. So let's go and have a look and see. Is our literacy teacher going to tell us what the date is today? She is. She's telling us that today, boys and girls, is the 13th of May, 2020. Well done. All right, so for those who are new, welcome. My name is Rohini, but you may call me Ro, okay, because that is a bit of a tricky name. My name is a bit tricky. So boys and girls, you may call me Ro, all right? Parents, here are my contact details. I see a few of the parents messaged me in the previous lesson asking me a few things. Please don't hesitate to send me an email, all right? And also, please don't forget to go and sign up on the website, African Teen Geeks. All right, good. All right, boys and girls, so let's go and have a look and see. What are we going to do first? We are going to listen. Listen to the instructions. Okay, so you need a blank piece of paper. Okay, I am going to test your listening skills. Let's see if you know how to listen or if those ears are ornaments. Let's see. Okay, so you need a blank piece of paper in front of you. Okay. Are you ready to start? Good. All right, remember, I only give you the instruction once. Okay, so you need to listen carefully. The first instruction, write your surname in the middle of your page. Good. The second instruction, draw a heart below your surname. If you don't know how to draw a heart correctly, just try. Instruction number 3. Draw a sun above your surname. Instruction number 4. Draw 2 triangles in the bottom left corner of your page. And the last instruction, boys and girls, draw 1 cloud on the right-hand side of your sun. All right. So let's go and have a look and see if your page looks like mine and if you followed instructions. So the first instruction was to write your surname in the middle of the page. Did you do that? Good. The second instruction was to draw a heart below your surname. The third instruction, draw a sun above your surname. Can you all see the sun is above the surname? Good. The fourth instruction was to draw 2 triangles in the bottom left corner of your page. All right, so you go to the bottom of your page and then you move to the left, bottom left corner. And there we've got 2 triangles. Good. And the last instruction was to draw 1 cloud on the right-hand side of your sun. Did you all get that correct? Did you try your best? Okay, that's good. Remember, you don't have to draw perfectly. Okay, you just try your best. Let's have a look and see. Franklin, did you get that right?
Yes.
Good. Did you try your best?
Yeah.
Very good. Well done, boys and girls. Right, so let's go and have a look. Who have we got here today? Who's visiting us? Impy Ink. Yes, Impy Ink is here today. So let us listen to Impy Ink's short little story. Follow with your eyes as well. Okay, so I'm going to read. You can follow with your eyes and you use your ears. Okay. Impy Ink says E. Impy Inks loves colors. He likes to paint lots of pictures. Impy Ink lives in Colorland. Do you know what his favorite color is? Do you know what Impy Ink's favorite color is? I think it's all the colors. Have a look at Impy Ink. He's got all the colors in his color pot. So I think he loves all the different colors. And he lives in Colorland. So he must enjoy that. Do you know how to write Impy Ink, boys and girls? I'm sure you do. Remember, we just do a little line and a dot. Okay, you dot Impy Ink. Remember, you don't color in a circle. Okay, so you don't color in a circle above Impy Ink. You just do a line and a dot. Good, nice and easy peasy lemon squeezy, hey? Great job. All right, so let us go and have a look at the E family. What letters have we got in front of us, boys and girls? Who is going to help us with our letters today? What letters do we have in front of us? Anga, what letter have we got?
Pig. Pig. Wig.
Okay, let's spell it out. P.
P.
And if we put E in the middle, yes. What letter is this? G. That's right.
G.
Well done, Anga. P, E, G. Remember, we're learning about the E family. So E goes in the middle of our word. So we've got P, E, G. And what does that sound say? P, E, G says pig. Good. Well done. Let's go and have a look at the next lot of letters we have. S. space X. So what happens if we put I in between these letters? S, I, X. What word do you hear? S, I, X. 6. Well done, boys and girls. 6. Good. One last practice. D space G. What family are we learning about today? E. Good. So we're going to put E in the middle. D, E, G. D, E, G. What word can we hear? D, E, G. I wonder. D, E, G. What does that sound like? Let's see if the picture can help us. Dig. Good. Can you see the boy is digging? Good. D, E, G. Well done. Right. So let's go and have a look at our E family list. But before we go and start our E family list, I want to tell you something. Letterland tricks us. What sound does Impy Ink make? Sean? E. Yes, E. That is correct. But in some words, and we're going to see that later on in our list, Impy Ink says I wonder in which words Impy Ink says Now don't get confused. Not A for Appy umbrella. Impy Ink sometimes says So let's go and read our family list and go and find the words that sometimes say Okay, who would like to read our first column of E family? Lucky?
Yes.
All right, so let's go, Lucky. Remember, we sound each letter out.
E. 6.
Awesome.
D, E, G. Dig.
Look carefully. What letter have we got here?
B.
B. Good. B, E, G. Big. Good.
D, E, G. Dig.
Awesome.
B, E, N. Bin.
There we go. So listen carefully, boys and girls. Lucky has done the correct thing and he spelled out the word for us. So listen. B, E, N. Bin. Is that correct? Listen carefully. B, E, N. Bin. So here is where Letterland is tricking us. And Impy Ink is saying, B, N. Bin. Good. We throw our rubbish in the bin. Very good. Lucky, will you continue for us, please? Have a look at the next word, Lucky.
Is hurt.
Look carefully. What sound does Impy Ink say? E.
Hit.
Hit. Good. Ha. Eat. Hit. Good. Now don't be tricked by Letterland. Okay? Don't get tricked by Impy Ink. First, spell it out with the sound E. Okay, so let's have a look at the next column. Who would like to read the next column for us? Sean, let's give it a go.
Ten.
Good. Good.
Fun.
Spell it out for us.
E. Fun.
Awesome.
Pig.
Awesome. The last one.
Sit.
Awesome. Well done. Sit. Very good and well read, Sean. Excellent. Right, boys and girls, let's go and have a look at our next column. All right, let's have a look. Offense, would you like to help us? Are you there?
Yes.
All right, let's go and read our last column. Wig. Awesome. Let's look at the next word.
Tip.
Spell it out for us. Tip. Tip. Good. R. E. Rib. Good. Zip. Good. And the last one? Good. And what do you use a bib for, Tansa? What do we use a bib for?
For baby.
Babies. Yes, well done. Now babies use bibs so that they don't mess on their clothes. Good. Well done, boys and girls. So that is our E family. All right. So let's go and have a look what we are going to do at home today. You're going to practice writing E. Okay? Practice writing the letter E. Remember, don't color in the dot. It's just the dot. You're also going to write 2 sentences with a word from our E family list. Okay, so like Offense said, chose bib. He told us what we use bibs for. He said that babies use bibs. Maybe you can use the word bib and write a sentence and say, babies use bibs when they drink milk. All right. So you can choose 2 words from your family list and write 2 sentences, okay? And then, boys and girls, you are going to prepare a 2-sentence oral about you. I want to know more about you. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is tell us your name. And then the 2 sentences are going to be something about you. Okay, so I've given you 2 examples over here. And my 2 sentences were, I like to ride my bicycle. And the next sentence, I said, I like to eat chocolates. Okay, so in our next literacy lesson, I'm going to hear some orals. Okay, so I'd like to learn more about you, and so would your class. Okay, so those are the 3 things you're going to practice today and what you are going to prepare. So remember, you're going to practice writing E. You're going to write 2 sentences with a word from our E family list, and you're going to prepare a 2-sentence oral about you. Okay. But don't forget at the beginning, you're going to tell us what your name is. All right. Well done, boys and girls. And here is our message and lesson for this week. Remember, don't let anybody tell you any less. You are special. Yes, you are special. Okay, remember that. Don't ever forget that you are special. Right, boys and girls, that is our lesson for today. Our next literacy lesson will be tomorrow at 9 o'clock in the morning. Okay, but don't disappear because we've got a surprise for you at 10 o'clock. There is a new grade 1 lesson, and it is all about coding. All right, so that is super exciting. Ro is also going to join you in that lesson. I'm not going to tell you any more because I want you to join the lesson and to find out yourself. All right, so don't forget, 10 o'clock, grade 1 coding. See you there. Bye.